Okay, folks, in the first video, I'm going to talk about how to get the elite version of WordPress Recipe Maker and how to install and activate it. So go to Google, search for WP Recipe Maker, and we'll see the free version is here on the WordPress repository. And then the elite version that we want is available here on their main website. So we want to go up here to get the plugin, and we'll have a comparison table of the premium, the pro and the elite bundle, and we can see down here that the recipe collections and recipe submission and a few other features are only available in the elite bundle. That's why we need that one. It's explained further down here at the bottom that all the above and these features on top of that are here in the elite package: the recipe collections, saved recipe collections, quick access shopping list, and recipe submission. So, and they explain briefly here what each thing does. And if you click over here on the demo, you can go to a demo of each individual feature and the documentation, and that's there for all the features, folks. So we want to go back up and we want to go to get the elite bundle, and you want to go through the payment checkout here and select your payment method, and everything else is there. So once you go through that, you'll be able to log into your account and you will be able to click on the file, and you need to download it to your computer. So that's that part explained. So we want to go back to our website. It's important to note here, folks, it's something that I see in the groups come up a lot, that I have the free version installed here. So to get the premium version to work, or any of the other versions that you pay for, you need the free version installed, and then you install the other version along with it. So the way it works is you're adding features on top of the base, the core plugin. So we want to go to plugins, add new, upload, choose file, and we will go to, there we go, and we want to go to upload, install now. And it's funny there that in the download it comes up as premium, but it's the same version. I'm not sure why that is, but yeah, it must be. I'm not sure why that is, but yeah. So anyway, you will know anyway that you need to install the elite version, the one that you just purchased, and download it, and then you will go to activate your plugin, and your license key will be available in your account, and you copy and paste it into that section there, paste it in, and activate the plugin. So that's it, folks. We'll get started on building the recipe collections in the next video.